Hey there, Odoo users. Today I'd like to show you a great app that we have available for you listed on the Odoo App Store. This app is called Sale Show Margin Slash Cost, and we're looking at it in version 17 of Odoo, but we also have it available for older versions of Odoo as well. So the main functionality of this app is that it provides you with the ability to select on an individual or rather a group basis which users can actually see the selectable fields margin or cost. And if I scroll down here, we can see here that these are the default columns that are listed on the sales order line, being the cost, margin, and margin percentage. Now, there could be a number of reasons why your organization as a whole would prefer to not show individual users these particular columns. And so we provided that functionality so that you can specifically indicate on a user level which can and cannot view these columns on a sales order line. So let's take a look at this in action. We will navigate to our settings, and then we will manage users, and then we are actually signed in as Mitchell admin. To see this setting, you're going to make sure that you're in debug mode or developer mode, and then scroll down to the other section. Right here, we can see the access right or group that we added, and it's labeled show margin slash cost. Right now on our end, it's not checked, therefore we do not have access to view these columns. So let's take a look at a sales order. And on the sales order, when we click the filtering or the ellipsis, all the drop down of available columns are listed here, and the margin, cost, and margin percentage columns are not visible. Now we'll go back to our settings, go back to our user, and we will now enable that group and go back to our sales order. And let me just give it a refresh. And now we can see that the cost, margin, and margin percentage columns are now present. So that's pretty much it for this module. It provides a really nice functionality to be able to not disclose those columns for internal users. And yeah, so thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions or concerns, we'd be more than happy to answer them. Thanks a lot.